Hello, hello, hello. This is RichGenX here on YouTube, RichGenX elsewhere. And it's time to have some fun with Dead by Daylight. Hope you're all having fun, wherever you are. It's going to be a stranger episode of Dead by Daylight this time around. And not because I'm playing as Michael. No, I'm not playing as Michael this time around. I'm playing as the demo pup. Demogorgon. Where the frick are you, demo puppy? I know I have demo pup. That's odd. Oh, there he is. There, demo puppy. At least he's one I don't have to worry about adepting. I suppose I should get him up to the level where I can use 4 perks. There we go. Now we got a 4th perk slot. Might as well use that one. Let's see. Okay. Alrighty, we got some match here. Good. Like to have a good start. Okay, so we got ZD Riz 7 is Rebecca Chambers. And we have somebody leave on us. Ah, 2 people left. Hannah 6902 is Fang. No, she left. Fiery Stream 7954 as Dwight. Still trying to get those gold emblems. Chili as Ada. Celesteri as Kate. Oh, I can't complain. No, I don't complain as a rule. Okay, I complain sometimes, but in all honesty, I don't mean it. Well, I can't change my offerings now. So what we got here? What we gonna have as our offerings? Fragrant Sweet Willem, Escape Cake, and... Alright, so I'm gonna run around as the demo puppy. I've been playing some games while I haven't been, when I'm not recording. This is just so I can get some more things done and maybe get some other things done. I mean, I like to play for fun too, you know. I still have that thing with that other game going on, I think. Alright. So what will the field be this time? It's been a while since I played as Demo Pup. Oh. Where is everybody? Fuck. Thank you. Why did you do that, you know? Where can I put it? There. Hi. I could use you here. Okay, these are a good team. They're good. Didn't have to teabag. No! You don't leave. You aren't leaving. I'm just gonna stick here. They're smart. They're going for the other exit. You get to be mine. Honestly, you teabagged! No. You teabag. You wasted your time. I was completely cool if you had just run out. I would have been fine with that. No, you teabagged. You teabag in a toxic way, I camp. Let's keep it simple, alright? Fine, you go. Your friends can go. Wherever they are, they can go. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can go. Goodbye. Dwight, you better not be hunting for a hatch. If he's hunting for a hatch or he's playing some sort of stupid game. Dwight, are you dumb? You are fucking dumb! Honestly, Dwight, you could have gotten out of there. Come on! Yeah, I didn't get any medals for that one. I know that. I mean, my God, what were they thinking? What the fuck? Did he do anything except get caught once? What the hell? What the fuck? Oh, Celesteri, you earned that. I was gonna let you escape. ZT Riz, you had perfect escape. You had a perfect chance to escape. What'd you do? First off, you teabagged. I'm like, you don't have to teabag. You ran out. I thought you ran out. No, you're waiting around in there. So if you thought I was going to let you run out or crawl out after that, forget it. I don't know what to think of that Dwight. Honestly, I do not know what to think of that Dwight. It's like he didn't freaking do a damn thing. I mean, it's damn getting a score that low is damn near... You actually have to trying hard not to do a damn thing. I mean, even me as a new player, I'm trying to do my thing and... I don't know what to think. Alright, time for Survivor. I'm doing Nancy Wheeler. I kind of thought that she was the character played by Winona Ryder, but I was wrong. Oh, unlock 3 chests while using the perk Plunder's Instinct. I got my arts and crafts one off stream. Or off recording. I was playing a game with Ellie. I played against her, either with her or against her in a previous video. MidnightZamboni, Crispy Obama, XXEvilGoddess. Huh. Now we lost Crispy Obama. Now who's this in this place? El Profe Gamer. Let's see. Oh! There's that situational awareness I've been wanting. Oh well. So, two Jakes, a Kate, and a Nancy. Oh boy. What a team up there. Petrified Oak, Survivor Puddin'. And who's our... Oh! It's an Onryo match. You know, for some killers, hiding in a locker can be a good idea. But not for killers like when you're going up against Huntress and Trickster and Dredge. Because their abilities do... Like, they gotta replenish their hatchets, knives, the Huntress hatchets, Trickster knives, and Dredge just loves teleporting from locker to locker. Azerov's resting place. Autohaven Records. Okay. Oh, and they're running Fearmonger. Okay, El Profile Gamer is being chased. And he's down, but I don't know where because... Okay, he's over... They're over there. Okay, MidnightZamboni's being chased now. Something. How do we get into this situation? We have two people on... Fucking hell! Oh, come on. We're getting slaughtered. We're fucked. Wow, we got slaughtered. Shikobi! Oh, get here. Thank you! Great. So we're basically fucked. Well, yeah, well, I got safe rescue. We just got slaughtered this match. Yeah, might as well. So what are you gonna do? You gonna kill me? No, you're just gonna... Yep, you're gonna hang me. That is a very good Onryo player. At least I got a hooked on... Damn. We just got slaughtered that match. I didn't even attempt it. Couldn't find any. Well, that was a complete and utter slaughter. Oh, well, it happens. I guess I got privilege of being the last because I just tried. StaySpooled. Well, that one could have gone better. What were they running there? Cold Brine, Overcharge, Sloppy Butcher, and Fearmonger. Well, I knew that one was out there. Yeah, let's see. That didn't really help him much. Oh, well. Well, those are our two games. Went quicker than I thought they would. Of course, that was a good team of survivors I was up against. Except one, you know, they had to show their toxic traits. And, you know, it was actually, that one could have gone a lot better. Oh well, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Well, until next time, I do hope you enjoyed that little Dead by Daylight run, and I hope you check out all the other videos I have up on the channel. Every day at 3 p.m. Eastern, in a 2-week cycle, I have videos premiering of playthroughs I'm doing, which includes such franchises and libraries like the LucasArts Library of Games, the Sierra Library of Games, the Doom franchise following Doomguy/Doomslayer, Tomb Raider, Core Designs Timeline, Sherlock Holmes franchise from Frogwares, working on Assassin's Creed, and a bunch of others that I'm working on that premiere at 3 p.m. Eastern every day. And at 10 a.m. weekly, Tuesday through Saturday, I have videos premiering. Tuesday is usually a fic reading. Wednesday is usually one of the first 7 Final Fantasies. Thursday is this. Friday is one of the fighting games, ladder mode or tower mode. And Saturday is usually a retrospective for a game or series I've beaten the story mode of. So until next time, I want you all to take care. I want you all to have fun, and I'll see ya. Bye all.